Here's I'll show you how to create a on sticker using your photos in Samsung Galaxy A16. So here's my picture. I want to make a sticker with this image. So opening the image and tapping on edit, and here tapping on sticker, select stickers, and here tap on gallery, tap on this plus icon, select the same image. Now we have to select the object from the image. So select your snap to shape and just you can go ahead and snap just like so to select your image. Once you selected, now tap on next, and here you can see my subject selected. Tapping on done and tapping on save. Tap on save and you have successfully created your own sticker. Let's see how to use these stickers in different kind of social or apps. So I'm opening my Notes app and let's create a new note, for example. And after opening your keyboard, tap on this emoji icon and here select your gallery, and here you will find all of your created custom stickers. Now you can go ahead and use any of them. Thanks for watching.